reaction video, man. We're gonna continue this scary series, man. We're gonna be reacting to scary doorbell recordings or scary recordings caught on Ring cameras. And yeah, man, I ain't got nothing else to say. Let's get right into the video.
Doorbell cameras are both a blessing and a curse. It may help you feel safer knowing your front door is being recorded, but you won't be able to sleep at night if you'll see something like it.
What is that?
Recordings. Check out this man trying to get into a random house.
People are so weird. He look creepy.
That's why you should double check that your door is locked
Facts.
before you go to bed.
Facts.
At 8:45 p.m., this individual knocks and then stands at the door for 15 seconds. Afterward, you can see him wiping his fingerprints off with his sleeve.
Like a weirdo.
He wears a permanent smiling face mask and looks directly into the camera, fully aware that he is being filmed.
What's wrong with people, bro?
This video is creepy and disgusting. This man can be seen licking the doorbell while looking at the camera.
People are so weird, bro.
Owners said they were not home at the time, but their children were inside the house sleeping.
Oh, man.
They said the man in the video licked the doorbell for 3 hours.
What?
You heard that right. He did this for 3 hours straight.
What the heck? Bro, what? You licking doorbells for 3 hours, bro? That's crazy.
At 3:30 a.m.,
What the heck?
this woman was caught on a doorbell camera. She looks like she's homeless. You can see she brought a shopping cart with her stuff, and I'm guessing she steals off people's porches at night,
Of
whatever
course.
she can find. At first, nothing strange happens, but then things start to get weird.
It's called drugs. It's called drugs. It's called drugs. It's called drugs. That's so tough. Dang, back up. He's a weirdo. That's what drugs will do to you, folks.
You can see a woman in distress, knocking on a random house door. Then a man appears, running to her.
Oh.
It is clear that she was running away from him and looking for help.
No, please, no, 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 please. Stop.
The homeowners reported the incident to the police immediately after it happened, which was initially thought to be a possible kidnapping.
Damn.
Police shared a video of the incident to ask for the public's help, and a phone call from the public a few hours later led to the identification of the people in the video. The woman from the incident has been located and is in good health, and the
Okay.
man in the video was identified as her boyfriend. She did not press charges and said it was a misunderstanding.
What? Yeah, right.
The video shows this man pouring gasoline around the house.
The heck? Ain't no way you about to set that joint on fire, bro.
Then he ignites it.
Wow. Wow.
I couldn't find any information about this footage. If you know the details, please share them in the comments. And thanks for watching.
What? Nah, bro, you got him on that one, bro. That's tough. That's tough. I ain't gonna lie. But anyway, man, that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. More reaction videos dropping later today. If you're new to my channel, I'm Morning Guy Game. I make motivational videos, vlogs, and I don't have nothing else to say, bro. I kind of got lost on what else I upload. I'm not gonna lie. What other reaction videos you want me to react to? Follow me on my social media platforms: Instagram, Morning Guy Game, TikTok, Morning Guy Game 1. And I'm signing off. I'm out. Peace.
What you know about game? I got all the game.